Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I will show you 3 ways to fix the annoying "sorry, something went wrong" error on Facebook. First, let us clear a corrupted browser cache. Open your Chrome browser, click the 3 vertical dots in the top right, and open Settings. Click Privacy and Security from the left menu, select Third-Party Cookies, and click See All Site Data and Permissions. Search for Facebook in the top box, click the trash icon next to the results, and clear all saved files. Next, let us verify your script settings. Head back to facebook.com. Click the Settings toggle badge right next to the URL inside your address bar and open Site Settings. Scroll down to JavaScript and make sure it is explicitly set to Allow. If the error persists, the issue is likely on Facebook's side. Open a new tab, search for Down Detector, and click their dashboard link. Check the real-time reporting graph. If you see a massive spike in reported outages, their authentication servers are temporarily down, and you will just need to wait for Facebook to deploy a backend fix. And that is it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I will see you in the next one.